Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you being here. So I have a really exciting video today. I am going to be playing around with the Bambi set from the new Bambi collection from Colourpop, and I have a few other little surprises from the collection. So if you want to know what that is, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and jump right into the Bambi set. To start off, this does retail for $28, and what you get in the Bambi set is obviously this little 5-pan eyeshadow palette. It's very just neutral nudes, but I will say, even though it's like a very neutral palette, I don't think I have these exact shades. I do have very similar shades in my other Colourpop palettes, but this packaging was so unique, and it's Bambi. Had to get it, right? Here is the Creme gel liner. This also, again, comes with the Bambi set. Then here's the lip gloss. So I just want to note that I am currently wearing this lip gloss right now. It is basically a clear with some like gold flecks. I was hoping that it was going to have more pigment, but unfortunately it does not. It is pretty, but I feel like it's pretty similar to all my other Lux glosses. Anyway, you can also get these individually for $8. Now I will say on Colourpop's website, I hopped on about 4 hours after this collection launched, and they actually did have some of the stuff sold out. Like I couldn't get the flower palette, the whole collection wasn't available, you know, and I will be honest, I really just was interested in the Bambi set. As I said, I do have a few other things that I'm going to show you, but it just didn't make sense for me to buy the entire collection when I already have so many shades that are already very similar to this. I already have so much from Colourpop. As we know, Colourpop launches every 5 minutes. You know, I try to keep up as best I can. So yeah, it just made the most sense for me to buy what I did buy. But I wanted to let you know, you can get all of the sets individually for $28, or you can mix and match and buy things individually. The next item that I got was the Thumper palette, because I literally cannot resist. I mean, seriously, look at that. It is so cute. I do love, love, love these shades. They're like a very cool tone, purpley, almost getting into the gray, but yeah, just a very cool tone purple, very cute. Do love this packaging. It is just this really soft, nice cardboard. They do list the names on the back, and we are going to go ahead and swatch both of these palettes. All right, you guys, here are the swatches. So going from left to right, all the way to the left, starting with Little April Shower, we do have a matte shade, and in the pan it looks pretty neutral, but at least on my eyelids it looks very yellow, which I do not mind, just letting you know. And then the second shade is like a metallic gold, very much a chrome color. The third shade is, very like pumpkin orange, fall feels, fall vibes. And then the fourth shade is also a matte, so those two, the orange and the red, they are both matte shades. And then obviously this last one, it looks like it's like a satin matte. Definitely not a chrome, not duochrome. It is a very, very soft satin matte. Those are the swatches for the Bambi palette. And here we are with the Thumper palette. Again, moving from left to right, starting with Miss Bunny. So I definitely had a hard time getting that one to swatch because my skin is very pink and pale, so it doesn't show up as well. So this palette does have 2 Super Shock shadows. We have 2 mattes, and then we have a very glittery satin matte. Sorry if it's a little out of focus. But yeah, so all the way on the left, we've got a Super Shock, and then moving to the front out, we've got a really nice matte, very cool tone, very, very light purple. And then we have a like a green Super Shock shadow, and then we have a little bit of a deeper, cool toned purple matte, and then another satin matte. I had a really hard time getting this one to swatch. There was glitter fallout everywhere, as you can see, just kind of something to keep in mind. And the next item that I got was the Purty Creme Gel Liner. This was from the Flower palette. So it is pretty cool because, you know, you can get the Bambi set, you can get the Thumper set, or you can get the flower set, and each of them comes with these 3 items for $28. So I do like that and appreciate that. I think that it's really cute the way that they did it. You know, you can kind of customize your purchase, which is really nice if you do not want to buy the whole collection like I didn't want to. I did get on the website today, and it does look like everything is currently in stock. I'll go ahead and I will link the website below. I can't promise it will be by the time I get this video out, and who knows, it's Colourpop, but it has been about a week since this did launch, and everything was actually available today. We are going to go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow. Obviously my face is already done, and just in case you're wondering, I am wearing the E.L.F. Camo CC Creme, which I do have a video about. I will link that in the description below. And the rest of my face, I was testing out some Kiko Milano products, and I am going to have a video upcoming on that pretty soon, probably within the next week or so. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss those videos. I have a lot of great content coming up, and I would also just really appreciate if you could give me a like and subscribe. As I already said, it really does help my channel, and I would just greatly appreciate it. I will make it worth your while. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. All right, and just so you know, I am going to start with Little April Shower. I'm going to be using that just as my transition shade. And before I get started with this, I did just want to let you know that I am going to have a separate video using just the Thumper palette in case you were interested in that. It might not be out by the time this video comes out, but make sure you keep your eye out for it because I will be uploading it soon. you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up off camera and I'll be right back to wrap this up. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this cream gel liner and I'm gonna put it in my waterline on the bottom lower lash line. Alright, and that about wraps it up. The only thing I'm going to do is I am just going to touch up my lower lash line and add just a little bit more shadow down there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyes off camera and just do my final touch-ups, and I'll be right back to wrap this up. And this is the final look, and I do have to say that I do love this palette. I mean, everything blended well, it was beautiful, and it is actually pretty unique. I didn't realize how unique it was. I definitely do not have these exact colors in my collection. I did go ahead and added a little tiny bit of lip color and then used the Bambi gloss as a topper. I think I prefer it that way and I like it much better. I love the eyeliner. As always, I love Colourpop's cream gel eyeliner. They are incredible. So yes, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, I will be posting a separate video with a look on just the Thumper palette. So make sure you check back for that. And again, if you could please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for being with me today. I really appreciate it. Bye.